What's up, guys? It's me, Heaven the Coach, and I'm coming here with something a little different. During this pandemic, I have fallen victim to different hobbies, and miniature size items have been on my list of things. So I wanted to bring it here to YouTube to see who enjoys these with me. So I know there's many brands, and this is a Real Littles. So I have both, but in this video, I'm going to be uploading this Real Littles Things You Love Micro Made. And is this a series or, let's see, no. They don't have like anything to say like which level this is coming from, but I'll go ahead and open that. Yes, guys, so the plastic is off. Let's go ahead. This is my first miniature size unboxing, so I'm super excited. I just watched so many of these, and TikTok has made me literally become obsessed. So that's the box, and I have two minis. I don't know. Okay, I already see one. This is cereal. Wow. Open that. Wow. This is Frosted Flakes at Shopkins. Wow, this is actually not realistic at all. This is super boxy, like super thick. Let's see what it's like to open. There's more in it. Wow, okay. So you definitely do get a toy in a box. All right, so let's go ahead and open this. Oh my goodness, the cereal, like the plastic bag of cereal, so cute. And it has the flakes. Oh, I love this. This is so cute. So let's put that back in the box. This is like a Sam's Club or BJ size box of cereal. Now, let's go ahead and open our next package. Yes. Okay. So this one has the collector's guide. So I'll open that. And we have a banquet mega bowl. And this is the country fried chicken one. Okay, so the nutrition facts is left blank. On this side too, it's not really detailed, but it does have a barcode. Wow, can you open this? Let's see. Can we open this one? Yes. So put that back on. And I'm pretty sure it's the meal, so let's open this book first to see what level of items did we get. So we got it's common. Oh, the Fruit Loops, no, the Frosted Flakes is common because it has a white sticker. And then we have the Banquet Mega Bank, which is common as well, guys. But I'm super excited because this is my first Real Little Shopkins review. Well, unboxing. It's not really a review. It's just a hobby that I have. Oh, so cute. The little eyes. And the little chicken. I mean, this does not look like fried chicken, guys. What do you think? It does not. It's not giving me fried chicken vibes. But, oh, I'm so glad. Get that out the way. So, take this back out. So, in our Shopkins Real Littles, we got the common Frosted Flakes and the white meat chicken banquet. So make sure you guys subscribe, thumbs up if you like these videos. I like them, so it's just a hobby that I am going to continue to do. And see you in my next video. Bye guys.